Here are some common controls and inputs you can use on your computer. Keyboards. The keyboard is a primary input device for typing text, executing commands, and navigating through menus. Use keys to type letters, numbers, symbols, and special characters. Additionally, setting key combinations like Ctrl-C to copy, Ctrl-V to paste perform specific functions. The mouse. The mouse is used for pointing, clicking, and navigating on the computer screen. Move the mouse to control the cursor. Left click to select items, open files, or interact with the on-screen elements. Right click typically opens context menus for additional options. Touchpad and trackpad. If you're using a laptop, you can use the touchpad or trackpad as a substitute for a mouse. Slide your finger across the touchpad surface to move the cursor and tap or click to select items or interact with the on-screen elements. Touchscreen, that is if this is available. Some computers feature touchscreen displays. You can interact directly with the screen by tapping, swiping, or dragging your fingers across the display to perform various actions and gestures. Function keys is F1 to F12. The function keys are located at the top row of the keyboard. F1 to F12 perform specific functions depending on the application or context. Common uses include adjusting display brightness, controlling volume, and accessing system settings. Control, alternate, and shift keys. These are modifier keys. When pressed in combination with other keys, they perform additional functions or keyboard shortcuts. For example, Ctrl-S is commonly used to save a document, while Ctrl and Z is used to undo an action. Windows key. You can call it Win key. On Windows computers, the Windows key is used to access the Start menu. Open the Windows search function and perform various system shortcuts. Pressing Win and D, for example, minimizes all open windows and shows the desktop. Arrow keys. The arrow key on the keyboard is used to navigate through documents, web pages, and menus. Use the up, down, left, and right arrow keys to move the cursor or select in the corresponding direction. Enter or return key. The enter or return key is used to confirm selections, execute commands, and submit inputs. Pressing enter typically performs the default action for the currently selected item. Spacebar. The spacebar is used to perform various functions, such as scrolling down web pages playing, or pausing media playback, and selecting items in certain applications. By using these controls effectively, you can navigate through your device's interface, interact with software applications, and perform a wide range of tasks efficiently. Great! We are making progress. See you in the next class.